es suficiente. Solo pienso en verte y otra vez comerte, bailando reggaetón.
Civil emergency for the county bear. At approximately 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, a Discord user under the name Trent21 or real name Trent Briggs has been texting a 17-year-old boy named Semedia. He sent pictures and envy messages to the 17-year-old boy. We advise you to avoid any Discord servers that are based in San Antonio, Texas. If you have any complaint, please immediately call 911 or any support receivers. We would give an update out when anything happens.
See, the rain is nice, but see, I don't really like getting wet.
Radicamos en South Centro, el negocio anda muy fuerte, esta zona controlamos. Polvo blanco manejamos, para ser exacto en cuadrito los
Antonio Department issues a stay-in-place civil emergency. As our last broadcast said, the man Trent Briggs is 28 years old and he is coming out. The FBI and SAPD will take care of the roads. For your safety, please close all windows, hide yourself, lock all doors and turn off all lights. If you are outside, we advise you to move to the closest safe house or any hiding place. We would want your safety to be cared for. If you have any issue, call SAPD or 911, but for now, stay inside.
Todo lo que busco, todo lo que quiero es Biotop. Biotop, chicos con sabor, vivir con Biotop. Es una locura todo el día, Biotop de corazón. Biotop, Biotop. Todo lo que busco, todo lo que quiero es Biotop. Biotop. Todo lo que busco, todo lo que quiero es Biotop. Biotop.
Muy bueno para las cuentas, todo apunto en la libreta. Al creador la lista negra, pa'l que se pase de verga.
Pura morrita bien buena, monta en mi camioneta. Los radios suenan y suenan, pero yo siempre ando alerta. Y bien jalado.